CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.3 Explain the purpose and proper use of software. Instant messaging software. Instant messaging software has become a key part of how we communicate, not just with friends and family, but also in workplaces, classrooms, and professional settings around the world. In this video segment, we're going to focus on what instant messaging software is, how it works, and where you're most likely to see it used. So what exactly is instant messaging software? Instant messaging, or IM for short, refers to software that enables real-time text-based communication between individuals or groups. It lets users send and receive messages instantly, often with the ability to include file attachments, emojis, and even voice and video features. And it doesn't matter where you are in the world, as long as you're connected to the internet, IM software keeps you in the conversation. So where is instant messaging software used? You'll find it just about everywhere. In business, teams use instant messaging tools to coordinate projects, stay aligned on tasks, and avoid long email chains. In education, students and teachers use it to ask questions and work together remotely. And of course, in our personal lives, we rely on IM software to stay connected to friends and family. Now that we understand what instant messaging software does, let's take a closer look at 3 popular platforms that demonstrate how it works in different settings. First up is Slack. This platform is widely used in professional environments. It's organized into channels, supports integrations with project management tools, and helps teams stay coordinated throughout the workday. Next, we have WhatsApp. This mobile-first app is popular around the world for personal and group messaging. It allows users to send messages, photos, documents, and even voice recordings, all protected by end-to-end encryption. And finally, there's Discord. Originally built for gamers, Discord now supports a wide range of communities and organizations. It offers instant messaging as well as many other features, such as voice chat, video calls, and screen sharing. While each of these platforms offers a unique experience, they all have one common feature: enabling real-time text-based communication between individuals or groups. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.